I got lipstick, shoes, and clothes. And if you don't believe me, watch me strike a pose. I got skincare, hair care reviews. Once you watch me do my thing, can't refuse. Repeat.
So guess what, guys? Can you hear me speaking? I just discovered a new way how to Zoom with Snapchat. I was going to record and I was going to wash my face. And then I remembered how to Zoom, and this is how you do it. You press it and then you slide like that. And then you zoom, guys. Isn't that amazing? Like, check it out. Look. Oh my God. I'm zooming in. I'm zooming in.